Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic in PHP Become a Professional series. Whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this content is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the PHP programming language. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you like our work. It will support and motivate us to create more content like this. Let us continue. In computer programming, comments are programmer-readable explanations or annotations in the source code of a computer program. Comments are lines that are not executed as part of the program. They are added to make the source code easier for humans to understand and are generally ignored by compilers and interpreters. The syntax of comments in various programming languages varies considerably. PHP comments are written in two styles: single-line comment and multiple-line comment. Single-line comments. Take our first PHP code "Hello World." To leave a single-line comment, type 2 forward slashes followed by your comment text. All text to the right of the slashes will be ignored. You can also use a hash symbol instead of 2 forward slashes to make a single-line comment. Multiple line comments. Again, take our first PHP code "Hello World." A multiple line comment starts with a forward slash and an asterisk and ends with an asterisk and a forward slash. All the text in between above will be ignored. By ignored means, the browser will display just "Hello World," not the comment. We will use more practical ways to add comments later during building projects.